Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sophia. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of beaches, a popular destination for many people. This lesson is crafted especially for beginners, A1 English learners, helping you enhance your vocabulary and understanding of English in a fun and respectful manner. Introduction to beaches. The beach is a place where land meets the ocean. It is loved by many for its natural beauty and the calming sound of the waves. While the beach is a place of relaxation for many, it also offers various activities that can be enjoyed in a modest and respectful way. Activities at the beach. Playing sports. You can enjoy sports like volleyball and soccer at the beach. These games are played in teams and are a great way to exercise and enjoy time with friends in a modest manner. Exploring nature. The beach is a perfect place to observe the wonders of nature. You can see different kinds of birds, shells, and sometimes even fish swimming near the shore. Water activities. Boogie boarding and surfing. For those interested in water sports, boogie boarding and surfing are enjoyable activities. These involve riding the waves on a board, and they require balance and skill. Other water sports. There are activities like sailing, where you navigate a boat using the power of the wind. It's a skillful activity that combines knowledge of the wind and sea. Respecting personal preferences. Not everyone prefers spending time at the beach, and that's perfectly fine. Some people may prefer other natural settings like mountains or forests due to their personal comfort with sunlight, or their preference for less crowded places. The beauty of the beach. Despite varying preferences, beaches are universally admired for their natural beauty. They offer a serene environment where one can relax, reflect, and appreciate the creation. Interactive question for you. What do you enjoy about natural settings like beaches or forests? What activities do you find relaxing and fulfilling in these environments? Please share your thoughts in Instakwar ins Sarkinstaffer Sir Dean Gokmar Dakintis Dakin below. Thank you for joining today's English lesson. I hope you found it informative and enriching. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more respectful and educational content. Practice your English daily and explore new topics safely and respectfully. See you in the next video.